Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another video on cheap tinned potatoes in the air fryer. Can you see those? Really cheap. I think I've got these in Aldi. About 40 pence I think. So they're new potatoes in water. We're going to give them a bit of a kick though, because we're going to be using some melted Lurpak garlic butter. We're going to be melting that, draining the potatoes, patting them dry, coating them in the garlic butter and cooking them in the Ninja Foodi Airfryer. Let's go. So there we go. There's our tinned potatoes straight out the can. You can see they've got that sort of moisture on the top of them. We've got them on some kitchen towel, paper towel. Just going to leave those there for a moment while I melt the garlic butter. And I've got the garlic butter in an oven-proof glass dish. We're going to be microwaving that for 1 minute on full power. And there we go, our melted butter. It's not all melted, but it's fine. Put that to the side while we take off the paper towel of the tinned potatoes. A lot drier now. And all I'm going to do is add them into the bowl of garlic butter. Maybe I should have used a bigger bowl actually. You can't see this, but yeah, there's not a lot of room in there. But we're going to give them a lovely coating. I think we'll be okay actually. I think that's big enough. Let's get rid of this. And here we go. There's the garlic butter on the potatoes. So let me stir them up a bit. Just give them a nice good coating. Smells amazing already. The lovely garlic butter. Okay, time to cook these in the air fryer. So we've got the air fryer. This air fryer has two sections, or you can take out the centerpiece and have one large section, but we're only going to use one section today. We're going to use zone 1. I'm just going to spoon these into the air fryer, because what I don't want to do is pour in all the garlic butter that will end up going through the crisper tray. So we'll just put these on there. I cannot wait to try these. If you haven't seen my video, my original video of tinned potatoes in the air fryer, please do so. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well so you don't miss any more future content. It really does help me out. Free to do so. There we go. There's all our potatoes in there. There we go. So let's get them in the air fryer. So let's turn him on. We're going to be using zone 1 today, just the left hand side zone. We're going to go to air fry mode. We're going to do 200 degrees and we're going to go for the 20 minutes. What we're going to do is halfway through, about the 10-minute mark, I will take them out, give them a bit of a shake, and we'll see how well they're doing. So guys, we are coming up to the 10-minute mark. I can hear sizzling going on. The whole kitchen is filled with a lovely garlic smell. Let's get these open and see how they're doing. Ooh, lots of sizzling going on. You can see those. A bit hard to show you guys, but I'm going to give them a bit of a shake. Bit of a shake. It's starting to crisp up a little bit, and we'll get them back in for the remaining 10 minutes. Well guys, we are coming up to the 20-minute mark. We've turned them halfway through. The smell is absolutely gorgeous in this kitchen. I cannot wait to give these a try. I hope they've turned out well. A few seconds left and then we'll turn off the air fryer. It's quite a noisy thing. It's in cool down mode. Let's turn him off and move him out the way a bit, and I can show you guys. Wow, sizzling away, quite crispy. Let's get them in a bowl. So here we go guys, the potatoes are done. You can see those. Sorry, the sun is shining through the windows at the moment, causing some shadows, but these look and smell amazing. As I said, 40p for a can. Let's give it a taste. I'll try this little one. It might be very hot. How crispy that is. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Quite hot, but this is great as a side dish. You could use anything, paprika. I'd done the original video with some rosemary, but yeah, paprika, curry powder, anything you like, you could try. But these are absolutely delicious. So very, very easy to do. 20 minutes in the air fryer. Lovely, lovely, crispy tin potatoes. Again, if you like the video, please hit that like button down below. Leave any comments if you'd like to see any other recipes, and please subscribe because it really does help me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.